Hello, everybody. I am incredibly excited today to give you the first demonstration of quite a sophisticated AI running on blockchain. That blockchain, of course, is the internet computer, the only blockchain in the world today that can run compute at scale. There's a lot of talk about, blockchains for AI, tokens for AI, and things like that. This is the real deal. This is AI running on the blockchain. So today I'm going to demonstrate image classification, which involves a neural network running inside a smart contract. In fact, that neural network has been compiled to WebAssembly, which is what runs on the internet computer. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So this web page you see here is being created by Canister Smart Contract with the AI inside. So I'm going to click this logo, and it's going to ask me to select an image file to classify. So the first one's a tiger. Let's see how it does. Now, be warned, this is going to take about 10 seconds. Currently, it's processing about 20 billion WASM instructions to classify the image, but that's going to come down very dramatically in the future. Well, there we go. It's correctly classified this file as depicting a tiger. So let's try another one. This one's a bit more complicated. It's like an espresso cup on a pair of jeans. Let's go. So enhancements in the near future include support for something called SIMD instructions, which is going to dramatically speed this up. Okay, this is actually very impressive. It's correctly identified that it's an espresso, that there's a coffee mug, and that it's sitting on a pair of jeans. Okay, let's try another. Okay, well, it's a Porsche convertible. I probably should have used a Lambo because this is crypto, but let's go anyway. And this is a difficult image to classify because all the the reflections and the trees and things like that. Let's see how it does. Chugga chugga. Okay, it's classified this as a sports car, which is correct. It's said that it's got some wheels, and pretty incredibly, it's identified that this is a convertible. So, where are we going with this? So I'm going to be giving a succession of demos. There'll be accompanying source code on GitHub, and we're going to be showing more powerful AIs. We're going to be showing optimizations that enable AIs to run faster. In the future, probably within about 1 or 2 months, the internet computer execution environment that runs smart contracts will move from a 32-bit WASM environment to a 64-bit WASM environment. That's very important because the 32-bit WASM environment limits a smart contract to 4 gigabytes of main memory. And that limits the number of parameters, the number of neuron weights that you can fit in, and limits the power of the AIs that you can run. But very soon, we're moving to a 64-bit environment, and probably the memory limit will be raised to something like 32 gig over time. And our objective is to take people all the way through to running a pretty powerful large language model on the internet computer. So very, very exciting things happening. I'm incredibly proud to be giving this demo because obviously behind the scenes, there's enormous numbers of people who work on the internet computer to make all this kind of stuff possible. For example, those computations that you saw actually span multiple blocks. So that's only possible because the internet computer has something called deterministic time slicing. The internet computer is a very sophisticated blockchain. It's the only third-generation blockchain in existence. And so, hat tip to everyone that works on it. And thank you for, watching this demo. I look forward to giving you more. Thanks. See you.